is
You fucking kidding me?
no, apparently.
Jesus Christ.
That one needs patched.
Nope. Did they even put it in right?
I thought I had a pair of leather gloves of mine in here, like the same style as that. Have you seen?
Nope.
I'm going to try and rotate that top on there and try and change where the key is.
That's interesting. I can see it helping, getting the heat on the other end of the barrel. I mean,
Yeah, maybe just
it actually looks pretty good all the way around.
I think so.
I mean, the more you get in there, the more of a cold bed you get, and the more heat's everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth it. I mean, I don't mind trying, but it looks good.
Yeah, it's looking better. I mean, this side, since the wind's coming from that end, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's the reason this side is getting the best.
Yep.
Doesn't have the wind cooling.
This collar that just fell out of that chimney support,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that should have been put in before all of the double wall stainless. It should go in first. And then the stainless stacks on top of it, and then that way it can't fall out. That's fun. Gotta love it when other people don't do their job right. This is what happens when you assume that what's existing is correct. And I should know better. That's not too bad. That's okay. And let's see the sides that matter. Grab another one. This guy's not going to be as easy.
Hey, Rick.
Hi. Do you have any idea who put this chimney in?
That would have been Pigman.
I'm pretty sure this was supposed to go in the box first before all the chimney above it.
Yeah.
Instead of just sticking it up in there, so my pipe fell down as soon as I screwed it to it. They just stuck it in the gap from the bottom, the little.
Yeah, that was a couple, probably 2.5 years ago, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy who built this stuff is an idiot, so you'll see a lot of.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna pull out the 18 feet of stainless just to put this in first. So I'll get creative.
Yeah,
We'll get
there's
it.
a lot of stuff like that.
can't read instructions or understand gravity. Yeah, like gravity, it's confusing, you know? They don't want to go up.
They just weren't honest guys, you know?
Yeah. Boy howdy. This is something. Oh, there goes nothing.
Nice shop to work in, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Pretty sweet.
Is this thing still counting up?
Yeah.
Okay.
25 minutes.
Oh, I'm only at 25 minutes? Okay. At 31 minutes, it either stops or it keeps going. And I won't know until I get there.
I think it's good after when they're burned down.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, nice.
Hopefully it looks like that all the way around. We're pretty close to it.
Look at that. Is that still some blue? Or that's just more of a discoloration of the metal, I think.
Yeah,
just from having the heat.
And sometimes you'll still have like powdery blue where
Yep.
where it's less complete and you'll just scrape off.
Yep. Good, good. All right, so a little setback, but we're gonna modify it so it'll hold right and work right. But I usually don't trust anybody's work before me. And this chimney was existing from the ceiling box you see, including all the external pipe. There's 6 3-foot pipe sections outside. And there you can see 3 full ones plus half of one about a foot of one sticking out of that flashing. And notice that top one. Oh, we got a couple of pigeons up there. Yep. And the top piece, you'll notice, isn't the same. It's not stainless, it's galvanized. So hopefully it's mated properly to the same brand or close enough size. They'll work okay together. But it could be that the galvanized one won't run the gases or the moisture. If there gets condensation, if they don't match properly, they could get inside the pipes, and then it gets your insulation wet inside the pipes, and then it's not insulated. And then what should have happened here is the starting collar. When you mount these cathedral boxes, you put in the box, you mount it to your joists above the drywall, and then the very first thing you put in is this. This goes in, this lip catches above that hole and it can't come through. And then all the stainless pipe stacks on top of it. And then all my pipe chimney, the single wall chimney goes underneath and it can't fall like it did on me. So we can't take all the pipe out and put this in. So we're gonna beat this back into round and I'm gonna build some flanges and get it mounted up there properly in a way that will hold the weight. And then we'll move forward. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, if you could mix up, let's see. I would say make some clay that's, like a cob wetness, something kind of solid. And then we need to mix it with sand to get our ratio. It should be roughly somewhere between 1/4, 1/3 clay to 2/3, 3/4 sand. So it might be 2 to 1, it might be 3 to 1, somewhere like that. But the easy thing to do is make clay, and then we can make a little brick or a ball that's all clay, and then we go, go 1 part sand, say 2 parts clay, 1 part sand, and then 1 part, so it's 50-50, and then start working your way down to where basically it won't even hold together. It's got so much sand it can't even stick together. That's where you stop, and then we let all those dry, and then when they're dry, we see which one holds together, because they'll be crumbly until then we just see how you want as much sand as you can have, but it's got to hold together. And then you can just write on, you can scratch onto them what they are, like 3S, 1C, something like that. I know, it's so exciting. There's people here and there's a bone in your mouth. Oh, bones, I love bones, throw a bone. You know what, I forgot.
It fizzed.
You don't want to make the mud wet first. You want to mix the ingredients dry.
Yeah.
Then you just get them wet enough to be like a, cob consistency.
Yeah.
See, do I have? I know I've got a Nick and Jake's cup somewhere. Or you could even, you could do something like this. Just scoop, flat. wouldn't be bad if you have a ruler or something. You can just, well, you got the triangle out there. Scoop it, and then just be an easy way.
Do you have any small buckets?
Any what?
Small buckets. It would actually be more convenient to have small buckets.
I don't know. You can go look.
No,
I don't know.
I didn't know if I had it in there. Like one of those 2-gallon buckets, since I'm just moving a bunch of small sizes, it'll be easier to work with.
All right. Okay. With ductwork and piping, when you need to check something for roundness, a T will usually be your roundest option. Not perfect, but a lot closer than a pipe will be. The 90s aren't bad either, but it's pretty close. It's good enough to get back up there. Obviously, that's fine.